Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at this, my Instagram account dashboard. Now I am showing a easy method step by step, so follow my all process. First of all, click on the profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy. Scroll down, account type and tools. First time you need to turn on professional account. Click on here. Okay, now go back to your main profile. Click on the profile. Tap on here. Settings and privacy. Click on and click on connect or create. Continue. Continue. Now select a page. Now I'm select this page. Now open up a Facebook account. Tap on three line and switch profile to page. And click on the three line. Click on setting icon and finally click on linked account. Now select Instagram. Okay, now finally connect your Facebook page to Instagram. That's how you can easily connect your Facebook page on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.